Hi everybody, today we're going to talk about ISOFIX. For those of you who don't know what ISOFIX is, it's a way of connecting a child seat into a vehicle. All modern vehicles have to have them, usually in the back. Some vehicles actually do have them on the passenger front seat. So we said we were going to do this video a little while ago, so bringing it to you now to explain how it all works. Now, a very important point, today's video is about what the ISOFIXings are and how they actually work in the vehicle. This is not a demonstration of how you should fit a seat at all, and you should know how to fit your own seats fits in there as well. So we're not giving any advice or anything like that on how you fit an ISOFIX seat. We're just showing you, just so you're clear on what ISOFIX actually is and how it works in the vehicles. So first off, what is ISOFIX? So we've got a car seat here that's in it, and essentially ISOFIX is a way in which this seat securely connects to the vehicle in a way in which it's actually down onto the seat, so a lot safer being connected to the vehicle. And essentially these here at the back lock into a bar. So there's a bar here, and that bar, these are going to push into that bar, and that then is going to hold this in place so it can't move at all when it's actually in the vehicle. So it's a fixed, really good, strong anchoring point. This is a booster seat. Obviously, depending on the age of a child that's in there as well, is obviously you could have a from really young upwards as well, and they've obviously got those in there as well. So how do those connect to the actual vehicle itself? So if we jump in, we've got an Ocean here. Generally, wherever you've got ISOFIX, you've generally got a little label or something that says what it is that's around it. So on this particular model, we've got two little slots here, and I'll try and show you this as best I can with the thing looking through that's here. So you can see there is a bar right at the back. That bar is what the ISOFIX seat is actually going to clip into. So on this particular vehicle, obviously they've got these slats that's on here as well, depending on what type of Cali you've got or what vehicle you've got. Those are going to look a little bit different. So on the previous model, for example, and you had to kind of get your fingers down and round. We have shown ISOFIX before on a Cali, but that's generally where they are. They're always on this version. They're always in that same position that's there. So they have improved, obviously, as the models have got better, and they realise in actual fact you need a bigger gap. So in reality, let's have a look. Let's put the seat in and show you how it works. So on these, I tend to put my finger in with the bar, so I know roughly where the bar is. There we go, and that's now locked in position, and you get like a green tab. You can see a bit of a green tab on the back. Most of them have like a green tab that's there. Obviously you need to put both sides in, and that's giving a little click, so I know both of those are in now. This particular booster seat, lots of different designs of booster seats, but this one, it pushes back so it can lock in place, that's there. And that, as you can feel from the base there, obviously the seat's going to move around a bit, because with this one the seat belt will come across, so the seat belt comes up through here and clips into a normal seat belt, as I say, because it's a booster seat that's in there. But you can see that's not going anywhere, really secure onto the ISOFIXing points. And then to remove it, again, depends on your particular seat and what type of seat you've got that's in there, but they've always got some mechanism that generally does two things. One, it will allow you to pull the seat away from the back of it, and then another mechanism to unclip it. Now, as I said, every vehicle is different, the way that the ISOFIXings work, what they look like. So we thought, let's have a look at a couple of other vehicles within the range and give you an idea what they look like. So we've got a Multivan here, nice and easy, probably even easier with the Multivan, because all the seats on here are nicely labelled, so you've got a bit of a label that's there, and the bar, and you can see that bar straight in there. Multivan's probably the easiest of the vehicles to get into, and again, with all of those, you'd just be throwing your seat in, and it's as quick as that. So Multivan's even easier, perfect on that one. So moving on again, this is the new ID Buzz, and again on the ID Buzz, similar kind of setup really to the Multivan. Got a little symbol that tells you where it is, and the bars are really nice and easily accessible. So it should be fairly easy on this one as well. Just pop it in, line them up with the bars, and then push it in. And then finally, let's show what it might look like on a car, for example. So on most of the things within the car Volkswagen world that's here, it'll look something similar to this. So again, you've got a little symbol in, but you'll have like a plastic cover which goes over the top. So you just remove these, 1 and 2, nice and easy, and then you can see the bar as you'd expect to see it. And then again, exactly the same as anything else. So pop the car seat in, locate it in the holes and push it back. So I hope you enjoyed today's video looking at the ISOFIX things. As I said earlier on as well, today was about showing you about the actual fixing points in the vehicle. It wasn't about how to fit a car seat or anything like that. It's worth noting that the reason we've done today's video was because it was a question that we've been asked a couple of times in the comments of different videos. Please keep those comments coming. If there's other videos you want to see that we haven't done, please put them in the comments box below. If you have enjoyed the video today, give us a thumbs up, give us a like. If you don't subscribe as normal, please subscribe, click the notification bell to get when the next video comes out, and we'll see you next time.